Now children, today let's start with chapter number 3, that is movement of the earth. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the two types of movement, rotation and revolution. So if we talk about rotation, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and there are changes in the day and night. क्या होता है day और night में change होता है. If we talk about revolution, so it takes 365 1 by 4 days and there is change in the season. What it causes? Change in the season. Seasons में क्या होता है? Changes होता है. So we are aware about the two types of movement and these two movements are rotation and revolution. So earth rotates or spins on its axis in 24 hours from west to east. West to east rotate karta. And what we call this? It is a rotation. So beside it, the earth also moves or revolves around the sun in its specific orbit and what we call it, this is called revolution. It takes 365 1 by 4 days to complete or make a revolution. Let's talk about rotation and its effect. We know that the earth rotates on its axis. The axis is an imaginary line जो कहाँ से pass करती है? It passed through the center of the earth and from the north pole to the south pole. It tilted होती है at the angle of 66.5 to the plane of the earth orbit. If we place a bangle vertically on a plane, what will happen? Its surface and spinning. So you can see this imaginary line is the x. The rotation of the earth causes day and night and during revolution आप देखेंगे कि जो जिधर सन का फेस होगा वहां पे डे होगा और जहां पे सन का फेस नहीं होगा वहां पे नाइट. अपोजिट साइड क्या होगी? नाइट होगी. तो व्हाट इट जनरेट्स टाइड्स, राइट? एंड rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice earth. So then places in the earth's east see the sun first and then there is a head of places in the bed. Japan, which lies in the extreme east of the eastern hemisphere, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? लैंड ऑफ राइजेस. क्योंकि जापान कहाँ रहता है? ईस्ट में रहता है और ईस्ट से क्या करता है? सन राइज करता है. तो दैट इज व्हाई जापान इज नोन एज लैंड ऑफ राइजिंग सन. राइट. सो लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ, राइट, व्हिच कॉजेस चेंज इन सीजन. यू कैन सी है इफ वी टॉक अबाउट इन द विंटर तो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर होगी और इधर सदर्न हेमिस्फेयर में क्या होगी? समर. एंड हेयर यू कैन सी स्प्रिंग होगी और यहाँ पे क्या होगी? ऑटम. हेयर समर होगी और यहाँ विंटर. Right? If we talk about here, autumn in the northern hemisphere or spring in the southern. Now revolution and effects. So while rotating on its axis, the earth also revolves constantly around the sun. The revolution goes on a fixed elliptical path or route at the speed of what? 30 km/s. और जो fixed path है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Orbit कहते हैं. Similarly, all planets revolve around the sun in their own orbit. And the time taken to complete one revolution varies depending upon किस पे depend करता है? Distance पे from the sun. The earth takes 365 1 by 4 days to revolve around the sun. But we know that year have only 365 days. And then what happens to the remaining? The remaining बचते हैं उनको क्या होता है? This quarter day is accumulated for 4 years after which it becomes a full term. 4 साल बाद वो क्या बन जाता है? Full day बन जाता है. That is known as leap year. Now season, the most important effect of revolution is that it causes season. So seasons also occur on the tilt of the earth axis. The earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 to its plane of the rotation. Right? So when the part of the earth leans toward the sun, जो part of the earth lean कर रहा है sun की तरफ, so the other part leans away from the sun. तो the part leaning towards the sun वो क्या experience करता है? Summer. और जो lean कर रहा है away from the sun वो क्या experience करता है? It experience winter. This thing you have to keep in mind. So we have 4 main seasons: summer, winter, spring, autumn, and then the northern hemisphere witness summer. तो southern hemisphere में क्या होती है? Winter होती है. Vice versa. अगर north में ठंडा है तो नीचे south में गर्म होकर, north में गर्मी है तो नीचे south में ठंड. तो the sun shines twice a year directly overhead equator, जिसे हम equinox कहते हैं. And once each tropic during the solstice. Eq means equal, nox means night. तो equinox means equal day and equal night. मतलब जो day और night होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? Equal होते हैं. So sol means sun and solstice means sun is standing still. वो जैसे है वो still खड़ा. On 21st March and 23 September, the sun is directly overhead the equator. The earth's experience spring or vernal equinox. So here on 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. At this time, the sun rays fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. आप देखेंगे कि जो यहाँ पे sun की rays है वो आपकी डायरेक्ट किस पे पड़ रही है? Tropic of Cancer पे पड़ती है, right? So it is known as summer solstice. So number of hours of daylight keeps increasing towards the north and beyond the Arctic Circle. Next, if we talk about the sun shines directly over the Tropic of Capricorn, वहाँ पे southern hemisphere में वो कब होता है 22 दिसंबर को होता है. When the moon moves around the earth and spends a little over 27 days to complete one day. How much time it takes? It takes 27 days to complete one reverse. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.